warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So make a video for the dialogue, the procedure as borrowing for Islamic bank. So introduce ourselves. My name is Putri Natusana Nabila. The last ID number 2055.
And I'm Maya Rizky Ramadhani, 2032.
This video.
Waalaikumsalam. This morning I would like to ask about the financial and Islamic bank. I love to social media that Islamic bank don't charge interest. Is that true? I probably use a loan from BRI, so I'm not familiar with how Islamic bank financially works.
Yes, that's right, ma'am. So this Islamic bank is different from BRI because there's no interest is Islamic banks. They ask a financing contract.
Oh, I see. So what do you mean financing is contract?
Ma'am, I'll explain. So a financing contract is a agreement between a Islamic bank and a customer that's from the basis for a transaction is Islamic banks. There are several commonly used contract such as murabahah, mudharabah, musyarakah, ijarah, and wadiah. The choice of contract will depend on your needs. What do you need the fund for?
I want to apply the financing because I need capital to start a hijab business. Hijab are still trending social media, so I'm trying the time online or offline. I need the fund to increase my stock and purchases with shop equipment.
Wow, that's a great idea, ma'am. To start a business like that, we recommend mudharabah or murabah contracts.
For what are murabah or mudarabat contract, ma'am? I don't know anything about Islamic banking and this first time try it.
Okay, let me explain what murabah is suitable if you need shop equipment directly. The bank will full the equipment requirements and then sell to you at an agreed upon margin with no change until the final payment is made. True, mudharabah is suitable if you want additional business capital with flexible funds for operational needs you think is most suitable for you.
I want to apply for financing because I need the capital to start a hijab business. Hijab are trending on social media, so I'm planning to sell them online or offline. I need the fund to increase my stock hijab and purchases basic shop equipment.
Yes, you just need to provide a list of items, for example.
I think mobile financing suits me better because the system is clearer. I can know the total installment and margin from the beginning, and the price style fixes so I also adjust my shop's budget. So does the bank purchases the hijab stock and equipment first?
I understand, ma'am. In this Islamic bank, if your business experiences a decline in sales, whether intentionally or not, you will not be charged additional interest, as Islamic law prohibits such behavior.
What if new hijab business, whether online or offline, they get bankrupt? I worry I won't be able to pay the installment on time. In the conventional bank, if you fail to pay, the collateral can be seized. It's the same here.
In a mudharaba contract, the finance item can be resolved to pay off the debits if the selling price is sufficient. We'll discuss the best solution together.
So, what's the process, Mom? Are the installments that I asked before?
Of course, ma'am, in accordance with Sharia principles, they will help and find a solution you can to assure you can get back on your feet and restart your business.
I still order to paying installment even without I have been given relief. Will my business asset to be confiscated?
Okay, fine. To process, simple submit an application and submit the prepared documents. Will survey your business, and the bank will approve the capital account, and the bank will purchase to good list of your requests.
Does that mean the bank will still help? If I need approximately 15 million rupiah for stock and equipment for a new store, so what are the loan recruitment or document I need to?
Of course, if you have the research query or document ready.
Oh, I see. For installment, you don't need a housing certificate, right? I'm just taking out a fairly large amount of capital.
Usually, it's only 3 or 5 business day if the document of complete. Demarking depend of the land. For example,
The goods are the capital. Means how long does it take for approval?
the machine will remain the same or until the installment is complete. Yes,
Okay, so what's the profit margin?
yes. But the fund is called a social fund, and the fund won't go to the bank, but instead to a social fund, charity fund, or cash fund for social activity.
If a pay late, so won't a bit charges a penalty? Okay, I understand. Can I get started registration today? Yes, I have, but some are your phone, so can you need to send the digital first?
Of course, do send them to our email. After that, we'll schedule a visit your store.
Okay, thank you for the explanation. The very detailed and helpful.
You're welcome, ma'am. I hope the financing goes smoothly on your hijab business continues to grow.